Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel. Today is very interesting topic, my dinner preparation. This story is helpful for your English learning listening and speaking skills, so listen carefully and feel free and enjoy the story. In the heart of a bustling city, Maya, a young woman of 27, found solace and joy in the art of cooking. Her days were filled with the aroma of spices, the sizzle of pans, and the laughter of her wonderful family. Tonight, however, promised to be a culinary adventure unlike any other. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Maya stood in her cozy kitchen, a sanctuary of warmth and creativity. With a twinkle in her eye and a flick of her wrist, she began orchestrating a symphony of flavors that would dance on her family's taste buds. The centerpiece of Maya's feast was a succulent roast chicken, seasoned to perfection with a secret blend of herbs and spices passed down through generations. As it roasted in the oven, filling the air with its tantalizing aroma, Maya turned her attention to the side dishes. She sliced fresh vegetables with practiced precision, their vibrant colors a testament to nature's bounty. A medley of carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers sizzled in a skillet, releasing their natural sweetness and infusing the air with a melody of flavors. But Maya's culinary prowess didn't stop there. No, tonight demanded something extraordinary, something that would leave her family in awe. With a mischievous grin, she reached for a bag of flour and began kneading dough with the skill of a master artisan. Before long, the kitchen was alive with the rhythmic sound of dough being stretched and shaped. Maya's hands moved with purpose, forming each piece with love and care. Soon, the air was filled with the irresistible scent of freshly baked bread, its golden crust glistening in the soft glow of the oven. As the final touches were made and the table set, Maya stepped back to admire her handiwork. The feast before her was a masterpiece, a testament to her passion for cooking and her love for her family. And then, as if on cue, her family gathered around the table, their eyes wide with anticipation and their stomachs rumbling with hunger. With a flourish, Maya unveiled her creation, a symphony of flavors and textures that elicited gasps of delight and murmurs of approval. For hours they savored each bite, savoring the rich flavors and reveling in the warmth of each other's company. And as the last crumbs were devoured and the dishes cleared away, Maya knew that tonight would be remembered as more than just a meal. It would be remembered as a magical evening, filled with love, laughter, and the joy of good food shared with loved ones. In Maya's kitchen, every meal was a celebration, every dish a work of art. And as she looked around at her happy, satisfied family, she couldn't help but feel grateful for the simple joys of life and the moments that brought them together. For in the end, it wasn't just about the food. It was about the love that went into preparing it and the memories that would last a lifetime. Comment your feedback, like and subscribe our channel.